Today we are in Imperial Lakes, and right behind me sits a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath pool home, no rear neighbors. I can't wait to show you this home. It is immaculate. Let's go check it out. All right, ready to give you a slow tour on this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath pool home. First of all, let me show you, it is on a corner lot. Look at all the fresh landscaping, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more. Oh, we see a little drone right there. We're doing some aerial shots as we speak. Now, right behind us is no rear neighbor. If you look across the street, it's absolutely well-kept, quiet neighborhood. In fact, with this home, you can slip right out here and go through the gates and you're good to go. It is fully gated. Now, something to show you on the side here. What we do have is a little side entrance here. If you wanted to grab a golf cart, you could put it right in that side garage, which is kind of cool, along with a garage service door. You can see the home has been recently painted inside and out in the last few years. And I've got all specific dates on roof, AC, you name it, and you're gonna see this is just immaculate. Notice the pavers. Pavers are really nice, fresh landscaping. All you need is your suitcase, pack your bag, and you're ready to go. So let's walk in and take a look at the inside, how beautiful it is. Okay, you can see when you first walk in, nice and open, light and bright. The builder that built this did a lot of fine touches, so I'm going to point those out as we do our walkthrough. But notice the crown molding, all in the main areas here. Very well done, okay? Even notice right above your front door, all the lighting. It's got ceramic tile flooring here in your main area, which is great. So it is a split bedroom plan, okay? So I'm gonna show you that. It does have an office, so 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath. Here's your half bath. This is your office. Let's just see that first. By the way, I understand Keith Richards may have played in this room before, or somebody who sounds like him. Somebody that good, yes. So it's a great office / music room. Got the nice high windows, got the wood windowsills. The trim around here, guitars not included, but it's a great room. Now, a couple things. Notice it's got the higher doorways. It's got rounded corners. So again, you're going to get some nice upgrades throughout this home. Take a look at the French doors. Coming right out here, overlooking this absolutely gorgeous pool. We're going to see more of that in a minute. How can you not want to spend time outside in Florida? Because we don't get very cold here very often. So it's a great floor plan. You've got your eating kitchen area here. More French doors going into here. You can see the double window here because you want to just be able to look out back and enjoy that. Nice open kitchen. Corian countertops. Beautiful stainless steel, Kenmore Elite fridge. Got your range, built-in microwave, plenty of cabinets, plenty of counter space. There's a walk-in pantry here. You can see your dishwasher. You get an idea. Really well done. Nice high ceilings, like dependent lighting. Fantastic. This is your dining area. This is kicking back out this way to where we just came in. So this is technically your dining area, but you could use it for sitting area, what have you. See the nice little tile design whenever it was built. So first things first, let's go to the primary suite, which is in the back. You've got French doors access everywhere outside. So notice the ceilings. You've got double tray ceilings, crown molding in here. You do have the French doors into the pool area. Really nice, well kept up. Double walk-in closet right here, got the mirrors on it, okay? There is a pocket door here, so you can close this off. Somebody's getting ready in the morning, somebody's sleeping or what have you for additional privacy. You can see you walk in here and it's got the double sinks, raised panel cabinets, and then the really pretty lighting, separate tub, and then the shower, the walk-in shower, the obscure glass for privacy. Okay, and of course this has got some nice features. It's a nice walk-in shower. I'm just gonna close that. They even tiled all the way up, even the ceiling. So it's, again, every extra little touch you're gonna see on this home. Okay, and then the toilet area here. Never seen double tray ceilings like that with all that work done to it. So very nicely done. Let's head into the other side of the house where you can see the other bedrooms and bathrooms. So we'll head to the back. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an ensuite. So it's really nice. There's your closet. So if maybe it's a guest suite, it's a teenage, it's a mother-in-law, father-in-law. I see a lot of generational families living together now as maybe parents get older or what have you. So this is great for that. This is a shower, so it's not a tub, so it's a shower. So there's you step right in it. That's really nice because it's also your pool bath. You use your pool bath. Linen closet here to the left. So nice size room. And then this is your hall bath for your guests. This does have a tub shower combination, nice size counter space. Again, just notice the little things. You have to, when you're looking at a home, look at the trimming, not only the wood windowsill, but also this, how it's beveled. Little things like that really make it nice. And this is the tub shower combination. Okay. Linen closet behind here, that's always a bonus. And here is the other bedroom right now, AKA weight room. Okay, and then back this way. So French doors into the pool, even through your kitchen nook area. Now finishing up the inside tour, this is our laundry area. It does have a sink. So washer, dryer, sink. Look at all the cabinets up here. Really nice, great for storage. They've got the ceramic tile flooring carrying on in here. This is to the 2-car garage. You saw the outside of that. Let's go check out the gorgeous pool. So here's the nice thing about this home. It features the pool, your outdoor area, your entertaining area. This home is built specifically to feature this gorgeous area. And you can say it is really pretty. Pavers, look at these pretty pavers. Really nice. And this is under truss, so it's all solid. Absolutely stunning. Really nice pool. No back neighbors. Look at the extended deck over here. So you can see they've got a couple kick-out chairs. This is to the master bedroom. Again, so quiet out here. No rear neighbors. And then this is to the that ensuite that I showed you, which would be AKA your pool bath. New mulch on the outside. Absolutely stunning home. See all the room they've got here, table, chairs, TV. Great place to entertain. I hope this is giving you a good idea of this well-built, well-designed floor plan. So if you're looking to take a private tour, all my contact information is below. I would love to show it to you. And you can book a call and we can set up a time, talk about your real estate situation and how we can best serve you. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. God bless. Have a great day. Hope you've enjoyed this gorgeous pool home tour. If you've liked it, do me a favor, smash the subscribe button so you can look at more home tours whenever I show off gorgeous homes like this one. Would love to connect with you. All my contact information is below. Whenever you want to take a look at this home, call me, direct, text me. I'd love to show it to you. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.